Yeah, it's still Tuesday, 11th of March. We're down at my little building right now. Brought the wife's Arctic cat down here to work on it. I think the valves need adjusting. It's got a vacuum style fuel pump. I'm not getting fuel. Got a brand new fuel pump for it, still not getting fuel. And up at the farm I was playing with it, and I'm not getting vacuum pulse to the vacuum pump. First thing I want to do is tear into the head, check valve clearances, see what I got. And I use my little 10-foot Falcon trailer, perfect for something like this. Of course we had to push it onto the trailer, and my ramps are down here, so we pushed up a couple 8-foot 2x4s, and that went fair. That thing's hard pushing. A little four-wheeler, this Arctic Cat 400, it's kind of heavy, four-wheel drive too. But it's done. I got my little trailer chained up 10 ways from Sunday, plus a hitch lock inside a high security fence with concertina wire. And hopefully the thieves will see the chaining and the hitch lock before they try to bust through the fence. They've done that before. I hate a damn thief. Tore into the four-wheeler just a little bit, get access to the head. Wife asked why I did it so quickly down here. I got light and I can see what the hell I'm doing. I got lights in the barn up there, but they're not near as good as these lights. Anyway, there's the head. I'll start tearing into it, find the valve covers. I think it's here and here. I'll pop those off first and find top dead center and check my valve lash. I'm gonna clean it up first. And once I got light where I could see what I was doing, have to pull the air cleaner out, air cleaner box, and it just clips in, but I couldn't see the clips up in the barn. Down here, they're sticking out like a sore thumb. Still waiting for the glass company to fix my window. So my big roll around box on my desk and chair is kind of in the way, but I got plenty of room to work under real good lighting. So hopefully this will go fairly smoothly, and that's all it is valves are way out of adjustment. Got real low compression. The thing's not worth rebuilding the engine, and it's at auction a $200 unit, non-running condition. So I really want to get it running again. Either we take it to auction and while we're there buy another one, or if I get this one running decent, it'll be just fine. So yeah, anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.